Our tyres are the only point of contact our vehicle has with the road, so keeping these in prime condition is crucial for your safety and vehicle performance. Proper tyre maintenance will maintain your vehicle's handling capabilities, grip and wet weather performance, overall tyre life, and ultimately fuel economy. But how does uneven tread wear occur, and how can you identify it before it becomes a safety issue? First, there's centre wear, which can be caused by overinflation, incorrect tyre fitment, or overloading. The fix is to ensure correct tyre pressure as recommended by the vehicle. Then there's shoulder wear, which can be caused by underinflation or hard driving. The fix is to correctly inflate the tyres or consider getting a rotation. One-sided wear happens when a tyre is either leaning towards or away from your vehicle. This is caused by improper suspension or an improper alignment. Our fix, go get an alignment. Flat spots occur due to harsh braking, quick starting, or imbalanced wheel weights. Unfortunately, the only fix is to replace your tyres. Tread damage can be caused by the weather, high torque, age, incorrect air pressure, and overloading. Simply, you need to get the tyres replaced. Sidewall damage, often caused by road hazards, includes scrape, tears, bulges and bubbles. If you're unsure, check with a tyre professional. Tyre separation can lead to blowouts. They are caused by high-speed driving, excessive speed bumps, improper tyre repair. We recommend replacing the tyre immediately. Safety should always be your #1 priority. If you notice any of these tyre issues, feel free to contact or seek assistance from your local Bob Jane T-Marts. We'll look after you.